up in the morning, it's time to start the day. Pack my bag with books and snacks, I'm on my way. The sun is shining brightly, the school bell rings. Off to learn and play, all the joy it brings. School, school, let's all go. So much to learn, so much to know. Reading, writing, and numbers too. Every day there's something new. I meet my friends, we laugh and play, sharing stories to brighten the day. In the classroom, we raise our hand. Learning together is just so grand. School, school, let's all go. So much to learn, so much to know. Science, art, and music too. Every day there's something new. Lunchtime comes, we all sit and eat. Then back to class, isn't that sweet? Teachers guide us, help us grow. At school our minds start to glow. School, school, it's the best. Learning and playing, we're truly blessed. Together we grow, together we play. Hooray for school, it's the best part of the day. Wave goodbye as the day ends here. Can't wait for tomorrow, school brings cheer.